Good morning all. I'm Gayathri, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to take about water technology. Water is the most important component for the existence of human beings, animals and plants. About 80% of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. The main source of water are rain, which is the purest form, but it is very difficult to collect. Rivers and lakes, these are surface waters, and wells and springs, these are underground water, and seawater. Seawater is the impure form. So we depend on surface water and groundwater for our domestic and industrial purpose. Such water must be free from impurities. The process of removing all this type of impurities from water and making it fit for domestic and industrial purpose is called as water technology, or also called as water treatment. Before treating the water, we have to know the nature of the impurities present in the water. There are two types of water: hard water, soft water. Hard water, which does not produce lather with soap, but it produces white precipitate like scum, is called as hard water. This is due to the presence of dissolved calcium and magnesium salts in the water. Soft water, which produces lather readily with soap solution, is called as soft water. This is due to the absence of calcium and magnesium salts. Next, we move on to the hardness of water. Hardness is the property or characteristics of water which does not produce lather with soap. Okay, how to detect hardness? The hardness can be detected in two ways. When the water is treated with soap solution, it prevents lathering and forms white scum. The water contains hardness. And the second thing is, if water containing hardness, it gives wine red color when the indicator of aerochrome black tea is added at the pH 9 to 10. These are the detecting parameters of hardness. Then the types of hardness. There are two types of hardness. One is temporary and other one is permanent. The temporary hardness are also called as carbonate hardness or alkaline hardness. And permanent hardness are also called as non-carbonate hardness or non-alkaline hardness. The temporary hardness is due to the presence of bicarbonate salts like calcium and magnesium, and it can be removed by just boiling the solution or adding lime to the solution. That means water. The above two process, there is a boiling of water and adding lime to the water. These process convert bicarbonate salt in the water into insoluble carbonates and hydroxides, which can be easily removed by filtering method. The permanent hardness, this is due to the presence of chloride and sulfate salts of calcium and magnesium, which cannot be removed by just boiling the water, but it can be removed by two methods: lime soda process and zeolite process. The lime soda process, we add lime to the water and we get the precipitate of calcium carbonate like that and all. The total hardness, this is the sum of temporary and permanent hardness, is called as total hardness. There are four expressions of hardness of water. That is unit of hardness, that is parts per million, milligrams per liter, Clark degree and French degree. These are the four units of hardness.